Okay, so tear down of this thing. Don't know if I'm going to go. I might just take the heads off. I'll let you know. Right, so Kyle was right. It didn't snap the belt. It just fucked the pulley. And that side doesn't look too bad. It looks like it's still intact. So I'm going to pull the left-hand side off. See what sort of damage it's done. Right, so that didn't. Fuck. That doesn't feel too bad. But who knows what's going on in there. Right, so at this stage, I might have a couple of stuck ones right there. So, bent something. A couple of them move. But anyway, we'll carry on. Well, that doesn't look too bad. No holes. A little bit you can see where they've hit. The exhaust ones. So it looks looking like I'm going to have fucking a whole lot of bent fucking exhaust valves. And as suspected, a few bent valves and exhaust. Well, so I've decided if they're bent, we might as well do the whole hog and take this side off. See how bad that is. Alrighty, so this head is not too bad. I was turning it over before, cracked it. But everything seems to turn, so maybe just fucked one head. Anyway, I'm going to pull these off and have a look. Maybe this one's worse. I have to check the valves out, it hits everywhere there. And we'll just turn this one over. This looks like it's hit on the exhaust on this side. Oh, doesn't look like it's been burning properly either. Oh, this one looks like she's bent all over the place. You can see where it's hit on the inlets and the outlets. So, bent valves, hopefully no more damage. So, I'm thinking fucking dodgy. Maybe we just replace the valves, set the head to fuck, replace the valves, put it back together. That's an episode for another day.